Hi, good evening everyone. Welcome back to the channel. In this one we're going to be reviewing YieldMax's dividends coming up for this week. So we will get into that here. There should be about 8 of the ETFs paying dividends. So we will look at that in just a second here. Okay, so hope everybody's day went well so far. We got a lot in the news. We got the Israel-Iran conflict, and hopefully it doesn't put too much strain on the market. But you know, we'll see what happens. We're resilient investors, so nonetheless we'll be okay. Okay, so Group B, I was correct. Group B is tomorrow, June 18th, with a pay date of June 23rd, because there's a holiday, so the holiday kind of disrupts it. So let's go over here to this site for dividend estimates here. So we use a repertoire of different things. We go to this website over here called Drip Calculator, and we look at what the last dividends were. So in Group B, as a reminder, we have these funds that are paying. Group B is BABO, DIPS, FBY, GDXY, JPMO, MARO, MRNY, NVDY, and PLTY. Let me just announce the Discord real quick that I'm live. Let's see here. Okay, let's see what this is here. Somebody posted this one. I'm not sure. Oh, that was the last time it was at $80. Interesting. Okay, we'll have to look at that later. Alright, so these are the funds again. BABO, DIPS, FBY, GDXY, JPMO, MARO, MRNY, NVDY, and PLTY. 2 of our favorites. Okay, so start off with, let's see here. Let's look at NVDY. So my prediction for NVDY is going to be, let's see where it is here. So NVDY, so this is where the last one was at $1.62. I'm going to say about $1.50. NVIDIA has been fluctuating reasonably. The last price, it's trading around $1.44. So I'm going to say $1.50. And thankfully, if I'm somewhat unsure of myself, I'm usually not, but if I'm somewhat unsure of myself, I happen to be in possession of advanced financial forecasting equipment, also known as the 8-ball, that can confirm or refute my dividend estimates. So it says reply hazy, try again. We're going for 150. Is 150 right? Signs point to yes. There we go. So after the second try, signs point to yes. So PLTY, the big one, I'm thinking it won't be $7, but it's going to be somewhere over $5. Let's first look at the underlying to see. PLTR. So PLTR, we are at, let's see here. PLTR, over the past month, we have had a pretty steady rise. We were at 143, so we've had some fluctuation to the downside as well. I'm going to say $5 again for PLTR. So those are the 2 sexiest ones so far. Let's look at MRNY. MRNY, I'm going to breeze through these real quick because I don't have a ton of time tonight. So MRNY, I'm going to say, it was 12 cents last time, I'm going to say 10 cents this time. Next one, MARO. Let's see, MARO, like marrow. They say marrow is healthy. Let's see. MARO. 197 last time. I'm going to say 180 this time. And then JPMO and then GDXY. Whichever one I see first on the screen here. JPMO, let's see. JPMO. It was 39 cents last time. I'm going to say 35 cents this time. Final word. GDXY and then FBY. FBY is right here actually, so 64 cents last time. I'm going to say 58 cents this time. Go a little bit lower. If I go low, I can't be too far off, right? We always want to overpromise or underpromise, overdeliver. So we're looking for a GDXY, DIPS, and BABO. So let's see, DIPS and BABO sounds like a band name or some kind of a dish, or DIPS and Boba. Let's see here, DIPS and so here's BABO. We had $1 last time. I'm going to say 85 cents this time. For DIPS, Dips is the inverse NVIDIA. So this one was somewhat flat. It was 35 cents last time. I'm going to say 30 cents this time. And then what's the last one we're looking at was GDXY. So for GDXY, I'm going to say GDXY, let's see. It was 37 cents last time. I'm going to say 35 cents this time. Take that to the bank, right, folks? Okay, so with that being said, just a quick one tonight. Those are the dividend estimates. As a reminder, this is Group A, B, C, and D. By the way, we have the weekly payers as well, which pay every week. That's CHPY, GPTY, LFGY. Let's F and go, right? QDTY, RDTY, SDTY, ULTI, YieldMax, and YMAG. While we're at it, let's go ahead and do quick estimates for those. We'll look at YieldMax and YMAG. Let's see here if they're here. Let me see. I don't think they're all here. Anyway, I'm going to predict YieldMax and YMAG to be around 15 cents each, because that's about where they've been. Let's see here. That's the Mag 7. Let's see how far down we can go here. Oh, I think they want you to pay for it. So my prediction for the weeklies then is within 5 to 10% of where they were last week. How's that? Anyway, folks, it's been fun, but let's see here. We got, oh, his name's a mouthful. Westchester L. Charleston Dixon Cathcart II. Good evening, everyone. Hope everyone is safe and doing well. What's happening, Coach? Hope you're well. Trying to be. Let's see here for the weeklies real quick. Let's just look at what the weeklies were last week. I don't want to shortchange you all. So the weeklies last week. Let's do this here. I think it's on their X page. Let's see. So last week for, here's the weekly, CHPY was 38 cents. I'm going to say 35 cents. For GPTY, 29 cents. I'm going to say 25 cents. LFGY, I'm going to say 45 cents. QDTY was 31 cents last week. I'm going to say 28 cents this week. RDTY was 35 cents last week. I'm going to say 30 cents this week. SDTY was 25.78 cents this week. I'm going to say 20 cents for this week. ULTI, YLT no go up. Hopefully it is starting to. Some people out there, by the way, say ULTI's like the best fund ever, which I find that interesting. I'll have to talk to them about it. I'm going to say 8 cents this week. For YieldMax, wow, we had a good week for YieldMax and YMAG last week. Look at that, 97% payout for YMAG, 81% payout for YieldMax. If it was 81 cents, that would be incredible. Okay, so I'm going to say 25 cents for YMAG, and then 20 cents for YieldMax. That might be a little on the high side. I know I said 15 cents without looking at context earlier, but between 15 cents and what I just said, which I've already forgotten. Anyway, hey folks, it's been real, it's been fun, but I gotta run. Thank you all so very much for tuning in. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and join Discord, and I will do portfolio reviews very soon, by the way. In the meantime, we'll see you tomorrow.